Question 16. Emilio has good credit and gets the lowest interest rate possible, which is 14.9% for his card. He is not able to pay off the balance each month, so he pays interest. Estimate how much interest Emilio would pay in a year if he maintained an average balance of $965 on his card throughout the year. Explain your estimation strategy. So going back to, we need to maybe go to interest. Here it is. Interest is old value. So I'm just going to copy this and come over here, and just right now I'm just going to paste that. We don't have to do this multiply for many years, but as my strategy before is if it needs to explain your work, do your work here. So we have for just paying interest, we can calculate the amount of interest earned over the year, and that is what Emilio has to pay. So now we have our model. We have interest equals, so we have the balance of 965 is the old value, and then the decimal percent is going to be our 14.9 divided by 100. So that's going to be 0.149. So then we are going to do, so our interest is equal to 965 times 0.149. Now, one advantage to writing out what you do, if you mistype it in your calculator, I will give you full credit for your answer if you kind of wrote the correct thing. So just in case that happens, so we have 965 times 0.149, and I get 143,785. 143,785. Let's check the rounding. Estimate how much. I guess when we're dealing with estimating, well, that's the actual value. So for estimating, 14.9% is about 15%. So 10% plus half of 10%. And we can find 10% of 965 is $96, $6, or approximately $100. So half of $100 is 50. So we'd get $150 is an approximation. And since need a little less, we could say $145 as my estimate. Oops. Well, didn't. So now here's just another example of question 16. Efren has good credit, which is a 9.9% for his credit card. He is not able to pay, so estimate how much interest Efren will have to pay. So on 3,680. So in the explanation, so with estimation, 9.9% is about 10%, and a balance of 3,968 is about $4,000. So paying only interest is just paying the annual interest earned. So we need 10% of 4,000, which is $400. I was just, yep, they said 400.